Welcome back to my channel. Today we have the Ipsy box. This is the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus box for the month of June. This is a monthly subscription box that costs $25 per month. So we are going to go ahead and get in and see what they sent me this month. So you open the box, looks like this, lift it up, it's got all the stuff. So I did get a couple of add-ons, and that is some face masks. They're like, I think it's like $3 for two, which isn't bad, and they're nicer ones. So I got the, was it Soothing Lychee face mask and the papaya one from Shelly. And then I got the pear one and pineapple one, also from Shelly, because I go through face masks incredibly quick. Okay, so here is the card with the theme. And again, does not have a list of the products or the prices or any information about it. So I will be adding that into the video when I edit, or the prices anyway. Alright, so the first item out of the box is Herlease Watermelon Energizing Aqua Bomb. Now this is a lightweight, oil-free gel cream for oily to combination, normal, even sensitive skin. And I'm sure this is great and wonderful, but I do not like watermelon or fruit flavored smells on my face. I don't want to smell like a fruit all day. I don't mind it on my lips, I just don't like it on my face, so I'm probably just going to pass this along. The next item I got here is Dr. Brandt Skin Changing Science. Okay, yeah, you don't need that. Pore No More Luminizer Primer. Now I do have this. One is in the summer giveaway. One I am keeping for myself, so there you go on that. The next thing here is a liquid eyeliner from Shelly. I've never heard of that brand. I will be using this at some point. I am trying to get through, use up the ones that I have open, so I'm going to stick this in a drawer until I finish using up the ones that I have. But this says it only has a 6 months thing on here. Do you see that? I don't know if you can see that. Probably not. But anyways, 6 months. So from the time you open it, you got 6 months. Okay, so this is the item that I picked. This is the Athia London Marbled Metals. And I am excited about this one. This has a 24-month date thing, which sounds more realistic, which means you got 2 years to use this thing up. But that is what it looks like out of the box. Okay, I think I got one of these from another brand. It comes in looking like that. And it had it in a darker color, but I thought I have a lot of dark colors. I should probably try something light, which is why I picked this one. I'll swatch that on my hand. Okay, see? There it is. Super pretty. Could probably even use that as a highlighter. Okay, our next item is a GG Gorgeous The Only Blush Duo, and then this is in shade Authentic and Pride. This has a 12-month date on it, so from the time you open it is time, you got like a year to use it up. Okay, so that is what it looks like outside of it. These are your colors. Now I did get a GG Gorgeous contour, was it bronzer before, and I really like it. I use it quite a bit. It had a nice velvety touch to it, and this does feel very velvety to the touch as well. I'll show you the swatches in a minute, trying to make sure I get enough on here so you can see it. Okay, those are the blushes. I'm probably going to use that side more, just looking at the colors, because that really complements my skin. That, not so much, but I'll probably try to make it work because that's what I do. And the very last item in the box, of course, is the bag that they always send. I kind of like this bag a little bit more than some of the others I've seen. This is really cute. little beachgoers here. Alright, so that is it of my box for June. I hope you enjoyed this. If you had a favorite item, let me know what it was below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Otherwise, I hope to see you in my next video.